Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing another one product wash and go, and this week's video is going to be featuring the Argan Oil Ecostyler Gel. You guys know the process of doing your natural hair and using stylers. This video, if you see me go out of frame or you see some little hands or a little head, that is my stepdaughter actually being my little assistant for the day. But all I'm doing with the argan oil is applying it to my hair and using a Denman brush, and I'm doing my hair in small, well, not small, medium-sized sections, and I'm just gonna fast forward the clips and let you guys hear music. In the next clip, you're going to see my hair 100% wet and styled with the Argan Oil Ecostyler Gel. And then at the ending of this video, you'll hear my review of the product, what I think about the product, and all of that. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Deuces. So this is the Ecostyler. I use the argan oil one. I really love this one. This is what I used to use when I just went natural. This is the one that I always use. But I'm trying to find a gel that actually does not flake and give me the same definition as Ecostyler. I get a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot of definition and a lot of hold with Ecostyler. And unfortunately, I haven't found another gel that gives me as much hold and as much definition as this gel. I guess because of how thick it is. And the only qualms I have with Ecostyler gel is that it flakes. It flakes so bad. And I don't want my hair to look like I'm having like dandruff all over me or something like that. I hate it. And that's why I'm trying to find a really good gel. And that's why I did the review on the Aunt Jackie's gel. It flaked, but it didn't flake as much as Ecostyler. But that one is a light and it doesn't give me as much definition as I would like. So I wanted to revisit my Ecostyler to see, compare and contrast both of them. But this is my hair 100% dry. This is second day hair. I like second day hair because I get a lot of volume and it doesn't look as flat and as defined. But I love second day hair. It's my favorite type of hair. And this is how it looks. I actually really, when I say love, I love my haircut. Like, I love my haircut so much. It gives me length. I can do twist top, braid offs, bantu knots, all of that. And my haircut fits my face. So, yeah, this is how my hair looks. 100% dry. Let me give you some definition shots. So, this is what the definition looks like. And I actually didn't define my hair as I usually do because I normally do smaller sections, but that's neither here nor there. I wanted my hair to be done in a very fast time because I have a newborn. So if you like these type of videos, if you like these type of review videos or this type of do my hair with me videos, please comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.